become real, and it's we need to escape. We need to escape. For you and for sleep. If I'm dreaming, don't wake me up. If I'm dreaming, don't wake me up. No, let me sleep in this fantasy. Turn the lights off, baby. Let's live in a sweetest dream. You're all I need.
You're not Bambi or Midnight.
This can't be him. Have we got the right house? He looks more like Bond's fat brother.
Hold on. I'll call Blow back.
What are you doing here? What you want? Who are ya?
Shut up, fatty. I'm not going to tell you again. If you move, you're dead. What do you think you're doing?
I'm just checking the time, that's all.
We know all about your deadly devices, so don't touch anything. I'm looking for a reason to kill you.
It's just a Rolex.
Whatever, Bond, we ain't thick.
Wait, give me a debit card.
Credit card? What for?
I've run out of credit on my phone. I need to top up.
Oh, for God's sake, use my phone. Now what?
There's no signal here.
Want to use my phone?
Yes, please.
The thing you're doing, you tit.
I'm getting this phone. We need it.
Have you not forgotten? That's Bond. That phone could be a deadly device.
Oh yeah, good point.
Think, man.
Look, guys, I think you got the wrong person here. My name's James Smith. I'm a cleaner for Southampton City Council. I'm off on furlough, and I might have COVID.
COVID? We're gonna die! Quick, let's get out of here!
Oh, he's bluffing. Everyone knows a mild flu bug.
But what if he's not? It took my beloved grandmother. So tragic.
How old was your grandmother?
95.
Oh, for God's sake.
Do you mind if I have a drink, guys? My throat is parched.
Keep your hands where I can see them, Bond. There's probably a blade in that vodka bottle. I'm taking no chances.
You guys, you've definitely got the wrong person. I'm a cleaner who cleans toilets. I am no one.
Do you want me to call Blow back again?
Blofeld.
That's what I said. Let's ring it. Hello? Mr. Brokeback? Sorry. Wait, you know what I mean? I said I'm sorry. Yes, of course.
Where did you find him? He's a bit retarded for this job, isn't he?
Well, he's a trainee.
Ah.
Yes, of course, Mr. Baldhead. No, not yet. Why? Well, we don't even know if it's him yet. Do you have a description on Bond? Pen. Why give me a pen?
I don't have a freaking pen. We're here to shoot, Bond, not practice your flipping handwriting.
I have a pen in the bedside drawer if you want one.
Yeah, give it to me.
No!
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
This is Bond. That pen could be a grenade. Could blow us all up.
For God's sake, he's not going to kill us with a grenade pen, is he?
It was just a big biro.
You shut it. You hurry up.
Do you want me to speak to Blofeld?
He is Bond.
Yeah.
No. I just thought I would help you guys out. Like I said, I'm a cleaner who cleans toilets.
Well,
Maybe.
we'll see, won't we?
Oh, okay. Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, love you. Bye. Take it, bye.
Well, what'd he say?
It was the wrong number.
What?
Am I joking? He said just kill him anyway. See? Told you it wasn't a grenade pen.
Move and you're dead.
Please, Mr. Blonde. Please don't kill me. Ooh. It's a bit of a tiller there, isn't it?
Ah, sugar understood.
Please don't kill me. Please let me go free.
Of course. Oh shit, sorry. Bloody COVID.